if I stay with you. If I'm choosing wrong, I don't care at all.
I love John Ruskin's book. I like how he sees Gothic architecture. He sees it as an art, as a society, as a cooperative endeavor, and for the love of God. I love John Ruskin's books. What I like about John Ruskin, coming from a mixture of Victorian life, Scottish family, born in London. He grew these evangelical matters because of his mother. When I met his mother, he always applies this practice in his daily life that made impact on his restoration, the faithful restoration. He made huge investment on the financial matters, not only that, but also with the intellectual matters. That's why I really love John Ruskin's book. He really made an impact in my life. When it comes to art, his father is one of the major art connoisseurs. It influenced his life. Not only that, his opportunity to travel. Traveling during that time was not applicable to everyone. And during a conversation in Oxford, that also influenced him of who he is today. What I like about him is that he has the way to replicate, to show what are the things that being replicated in arts. He can add through endless meanings. And that's why, when it comes to architecture, you could see which one is figure.
John Ruskin changed my life forever. John Ruskin changed my life forever. I remember he wrote this book called The Seven Lamps of Architecture. He instigated the conservation and he proposed this picturesque. It is the imitation of nature. I remember back in 1948 to 1958, he was telling me things because he was my patient. He was writing this book, The Stones of Venice. He was discussing the importance of Gothic architecture, Byzantine, and also the histories of the city he was living in. Back in that decade, he was very busy promoting cultural activities to the public. He was a great man.
John Ruskin is one of the most influential artists during our time.
John Ruskin was one of the most influential artists during our time. I remember in his book, The Seven Lamps of Architecture, saying that restoration is the worst of the destruction. This was the time where restoration was being taught in archaeological schools. He says that restoration is the worst of the destruction, accompanied by the false description of the thing destroyed.
Ruskin did not suggest a philosophy and a theory of aesthetics, but he proposed a feeling of the aesthetic experience and of the moral experience between the society and the art. In his book, he explained the seven lamps of architecture having seven parts. It's the sacrifice, truth, power, beauty, life, memory, and obedience.
I miss Johnny. I remember when Johnny told me the greatest of the building is not the stone nor the gold. It's the glory of its age, of mysterious ways, and the building of the walls washed by the humanity. Johnny also told me it is that the golden stain of time, that we are to look for the real light and color and the preciousness of architecture. This until a building is a true his character, till it has been entrusted with the fame and hallowed by the deeds of men.